Today we're going to be discussing markups and discounts. You actually use the percent proportion to find markups and discounts, and then based on the question, you either find the discount, you find the tax or the tip, or sometimes you'll have to find a sale price or a total cost, just depending on the question. So our focus really is going to be making sure we read our questions carefully. So let's learn how to do a markup first. A markup is an additional cost of an item. It's something extra we have to pay. And two examples that you'll see would be like sales tax or tips. Those are both added on costs to our total. So the first question says, 4 friends go out to dinner and have a bill totaling $45.20. What amount should they leave for a 15% tip? Well, for these problems, the money that they give you in the problem is going to be our whole. That is our whole right there. And then the discount or the tip in this case that we're going to find is going to be our part. So we're going to use part over whole equals the percent over 100, just like step 1 says. Use the percent proportion. So I don't know the tip, that's the piece or the part. I do know the whole, which is $45.20. And then I also know the percent, so 15 over 100. And then you'll cross multiply. 100 times x is 100x. And $45.20 times 15 gives us 678. And then we'll divide by 100. So our tip is $6.78. That is the extra amount we would pay in addition to totaling $45.20. Now, since they asked just for the tip, we're done with our math. We found that. That's the tip. The next part of the problem that we want to talk about is discounts. And you use the exact same method for discounts. And it must be said that you use a lot of methods to find markups and discounts. Some people use mental math. Some people convert our percents to decimals and multiply. So there's lots of different ways that we can do this. I just am showing you the part whole percent over 100 method today. So let's take a look at discounts. A discount is an amount reduced. So that's less. That's a good thing from the total cost of an item. So it says Elsa bought a hat that was originally priced at $21.50. How much is the discount if the hat is 25% off? So once again, we don't know the discount. That's the part. We know the whole dollar amount the hat is. That's $21.50. We also know the percentage off, that's the rate, 25 over 100. And now we'll cross multiply and divide. So 100x and 2150 times 25 gives you 537.5. And then we'll divide by 100. So x equals a $5.38 discount. Now you're going to notice I rounded up because since we're talking about money, we're only going to go to the hundredths place for these problems. Now, once again, we answered the question. We wanted to know the discount, and we found the discount. The next question, we're going to have to do several steps. So it says finding the total cost or the sale price. Now, for a lot of these, you have to read the questions carefully. It says, at an Italian restaurant, you ordered a salad for $2.50 and spaghetti for $8.25. Sales tax is 7.5%. What is the total of your bill including tax? So I need a total including tax. That tells me I'm going to add my tax in at the end. So the first thing I have to do is find the total amount of the items. So I purchased a salad and spaghetti. So I'm going to have to add those up. So $2.50 plus $8.25 is going to give me a cost of $10.75. So that's my total now. So now I have to find the part. I have to find what part of that is going to be sales tax. So once again, I'm going to go ahead and use the percent proportion. So I'm going to put X, I don't know the tip, over the total amount of my order at the restaurant, which was $10.75. Sales tax is 7.5% over 100. And then you cross multiply and divide. So we're doing step 3 right now. And 1075 times 7.5 gives us 80.625. And then we'll do step 4, divide. So our tax is going to be approximately 81 cents. That's our tax. Now, we still haven't answered the question because the question says we want the total bill. So the total bill, which was $10.75, or including our tax, which we found to be 81 cents. So we need to add those together. And when we do that, we should get a grand total of $11.56.